Okay, my name is McCann Bell. This is my Lesson 0 video demonstration. So I'm going to begin by, I'm starting in my mobile apps folder. I'm going to begin by creating the Lesson 0 content. So I will do that now. Okay, so this will create the entire Lesson 0 folder inside mobile apps. In the meantime, I will pull up Visual Studio Code. So from here, we will open our most recent file that just finished loading here. So we'll go to Open. Then we will choose Lesson 0. Now from here, we can navigate to the main.dart file here. If we view terminal, and we already have the emulator running, so no need in running that command. So what we'll do is flutter run. And this part is where it can take a little while, so we'll just let everything load, and then after that loads, we will demonstrate everything is in working order for the application. Just in the meantime, while this is loading, if we look at the mobile apps folder, we can see that after we did the commands, ran those on terminal, we can check and see the live update here. Inside mobile apps folder, you can see the Lesson 0 was created. So it appears it's still loading. All right, so it took about just a minute to finish assembling the debug. So the rest of this should go load pretty soon after. All right, we see it's loading on the emulator now. Bit of a connection issue. Today is using Works Wi-Fi. Okay, so finally the interface is loaded here. You can see that we're on the the home page. So in any moment, you can see that this is updating. Now at this stage, what we'll want to do is we can try a little bit of editing around. So we can say I have pushed the button this many times. Maybe perhaps even change the color of it to green. Then after we've done that, we can save the file. And here usually we can hot reload. And you can see that the message has changed, and it's still keeping track and changed the color there. So that concludes the demo.